Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out earnings on the Webull application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the markets button down below, which is the second option. Click on earnings in the middle of the screen. And here you can find three categories: earnings, dividends, and splits. So tap on the relevant one and here you can check them out. On the left side you can see the symbol, then the spark chart, release time, estimate, and market cap, and other information as you slide to the right side. If you want to check out in more details, click on the relevant symbol and here you can find the more depth information. You can check out dividends and splits as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.